Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to consider this question on the screen over here, and they are related to indices. So we are basically simplifying the following indices. Over here, we have 6 cube all into brackets raised to the power 4 times 6 raised to the power 3 times 4 raised to the power 9 all over 6 raised to the power 8 times 4 raised to the power 8. So basically what you are doing is that we are trying to use the three main laws of indices, which is the product rule or law, the quotient rule or the division law, and also the power of a power of indices or the power rule. So let's use the product rule, the quotient rule, and then the power rule to solve this one. Now, this one we have 6 cube raised to the power 4 times 6 raised to the power 3, 4 raised to the power 9 all over 6 raised to the power 8 times 4 raised to the power 8. Now over here, using the power rule, the 3 is going to multiply the 4. So you're going to have 3 times 4, which will give us 12 times 6 raised to the power 3 times 4 raised to the power 9 all over 6 raised to the power 8 times 4 raised to the power also 8. Now over here, we are now going to use the product rule, and it says that when you have two bases or same bases, we can add the exponents. But as you can see, we have the same base, which is 6, so we can add the 12 and 3. So I'm going to choose any of the 6's and then write 6 and then power 12 plus 3 times 4 raised to the power 9 all over 6 raised to the power 8 times 4 raised to the power 8. So now 12 plus 3 is going to give me 15. So 6 raised to the power 15 times 4 raised to the power 9 all over 6 raised to the power 8 times 4 raised to the power 8. Now here we cannot add the powers because the 6 and 4 are not the same, and also here. So what we're going to do is that we have to use the division, we have to use the division law or the quotient rule. And then but before we do that, let's split this one into two. So I'm going to write 6 raised to the power 15 all over 6 raised to the power 8 times 4 raised to the power 9 all over 4 raised to the power 8. Now the quotient rule or the law also says that when we have same bases, we subtract the powers. For the product rule, we add the powers, but for the division law or the quotient rule, we subtract the powers. So since we have the same basis, I'm going to choose any one of the 6, and then so 6 raised to the power 15 minus 8 times 4 raised to the power 9 minus 8. I'm going to have 6 raised to the power 15 minus 8 is 7. So 7 times 4 raised to the power 1. Basically, this is our answer. Now let's consider this one. Here too we have 5 raised to the power 5 squared times 4 raised to the power cube, 4 raised to the power 4 or cube all over 5 raised to the power 8 times 4 raised to the power 9. Now here, using the power rule, the 2 is going to multiply the 5. So we are going to have 2 5, which is 10, times here 4 times 3, which is also 12, and then over here 5 raised to the power 8 times 4 raised to the power 9. And using the division law or the quotient rule, the 5 over here, since that is same, I'm going to subtract the 8 from the 10, and also here I'm going to subtract the 9 from the 12. So 5 raised to the power 2 times 4, 12 minus 9 is also 3. So basically this is it. We can leave our answer like this, or if you want to also simplify it further, you can do it. So as you can see, I use the three main laws or the rules of indices, which are the multiplication law, which is that which says that when the bases are the same, we add the powers, and the division law also says that when the bases are the same, we subtract the powers, and the power rule also says that, oh, here as you can see, the 5 is going to multiply the 2. Basically, it talks about the power rule as the same as this one. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.